让我看一眼。哪呀？是这样。
有人进了。
Hello everyone, this is Fanny speaking from ABC Machinery.
但是
Today, I'm glad to have this live stream to show you some information about our machines and factory. Can you hear me? If you cannot hear me, then you can leave a message here. Today, we have 10 machines ready. Tomorrow, we will deliver to a client in Africa. And you can see here are 10 BPM 25. If you know our machines or if you have checked our website before, you will know that this is the animal feed pellet machine that we use for home use feed production line and the small farmers. This machine is with production capacity with 500 to 700 kg per hour. As you can know that this is without the steam conditioner and the feeder. If we add the steam conditioner and the feeder, then we can put the steam inside together with the raw materials, and the production capacity can be increased to 1 to 2 tons per hour. And based on the feedback from our clients, the production capacity is normally about 1.8 tons per hour, but the raw materials are free. Okay, now thanks for my colleague, and I will now show you more information. Thank you. And now we can have a look of the 25 pellet machine here. Now let me show you something. All these parts you can see are stainless steel. Let me open this part for you to have a look. As you can see, that here is the knife to adjusting the pellets, the length. See here, the knife 1 and knife 2, you can use the adjust here to control the knife, the length. And here's the ring die. You know that our pellet machines are used stainless steel ring die and the covers of the gauge. So the raw materials are connected with the machines are normally stainless steel. So this will give the raw materials high quality. And here's more information about the back of the pellet machine. I will give you this angle. As you can see, this is a belt. Our model is a belt-driven pellet machine, and the wheel of the belt is we use. If I speak too fast, you can let me know, leave a message. I will try to slow down so that you can hear me more clear. So this the material we use QT cotton iron because it's the hottest for the iron, and comparing to the HT is much more better. And I would like to say that to Uncle John, who is my client for those machines. Here are the 10 pellet machines for you, and will be ready tomorrow to deliver to you. And later on, I will show you the inside of the factory, and we will then deliver the machine for packing, and I will show you how we pack the machine tomorrow at 1 p.m. We will show you how that we deliver the machines to for the loading. So tomorrow, please come back for the live show, everybody. And I would also like to show you that because the pellet machine production capacity, as I showed you, the grain raw materials are 1.8 ton per hour. It's about. But if you use grass raw materials, the production capacity will be affected a lot. So the percentage of the grass as used in recipe is very important. If you have any questions, you can contact me here. I will put the screen here for maybe 10 seconds. So if someone like to drop me a message or send me an email, please make a screenshot and please drop the photo together to my email address or send a WhatsApp. If you send a screenshot to me, then when you place the order, I will give you for free about the one spare parts. Now let's go to our workshop. You can see here are the very huge stuff. That's for a big production line, and we are installing in for another client. But this is now the main parts we are introducing, so I will not put so many introduction here, but you can see this is very tall. It's about 3.6 meters high. So by follow this way, we'll go inside our workshop. But you know, we are still working inside, so might be have a little bit noise. But if you can't hear me clear, you can also leave a message to me. If you have any questions, you can just send me a message. Here's the contact again. Take a screenshot, please. Okay, now here's the entrance. Sorry, it's a bit shaking. Well, as here you can see, this is a testing machine. Tomorrow we will have the testing at the about 4 p.m. in Chinese time. So if someone who is interested, please just come, and then we will show you how we run the machine, how we turn the materials into pellets. Here are the storage place for our machines. As you can see, those are the pellet machines. This is the 25. So this is the BPM 25. This one is with the stainless steel conditioner, and that is the feeder. So by using these two parts, the production capacity can be increased to 1 to 2 tons per hour. And here, this is the 32 pellet machine, and the production capacity is about 2 to 3 tons per hour. Well, I will show you more information later. If you have any questions, just leave the message here. And now I will take you working around the factory to show you how we are running for the factory. So now let's go inside. Now we are going inside. So these two parts, as you can see, these things are machines which are almost ready and we put here. We will assemble them later. Also this part, this place we're making for like the conveyors or screen feeders. But they are all walking. So let's go. Well, because they're working there quite with loud noise, so let's change the plan to introduce the 32 pellet machine first. Hi, Uncle John. These are the ring dies for you that you ordered, which will coming to you tomorrow. Sorry, because I'm holding the cell phone by my hand, so might be a little bit shaky. I'm trying to hold it still and trying to walk slowly. So now let's go to the BPM 320 pellet machine. Here, as you can see, the machine is with the feeder here. Then go to the stainless steel conditioner here. The raw material drop inside here, and the screw feeder will go feed the raw materials inside the stainless steel steam conditioner, and the steam will come from this side, and the steam together with the raw materials will mixed together and then finally drop from here, go into the pellet parts. I would like to show you that from 32 pellet machine, more than 90% of the raw material connected with the raw materials are stainless steel. So you can see this part, lining part is the stainless steel, and the side is stainless steel, the gate is stainless steel, all these things are stainless steel. Oh, the knife is not. But this will make sure that you will have higher quality of the final pellets. And let's have a look of the inside of the steam conditioner. By the way, they are all stainless steel. So I know that one of our clients is choosing from the 25 pellet machine and 32 pellet machine. So the difference of the machines, the 32 pellet machines, is that you can see this body of the pellet machine. They use 10 millimeter thickness plate. So while I can see that for this thickness plate, you can use the machine for forever, for the whole life. Comparing to the 25, it's with higher quality. And this 32 pellet machine, you can see that here is the motor, and another side is also a motor. Sorry, I'm shaking. There are two motors, so which means there are two belts to connect it with the main shaft. I would like to show you. Here you can see there is the belt. Well, because of this this design, there are two radial force. Well, you know that this part of the radial force and that part of the radial force, two parts here and there will make the main shaft with lower stress. Then when the machine is running, it will be more stable. Let's see if we go over here. So these are all the orders from the clients of ours. This is the silo, and these are the connecting parts. These are the dies. Now let's go to the first stage that we start to make our pellet machine. So as you know that for making pellet machine, firstly we need to use the laser cutter to cut the plates into different shapes. Now here I would like to show you the automatic machine equipment that we are using, the laser cutter. So it's the fully automatic one, so you need to put all the specifications inside here and you will get the perfect shaped plates that you like by this laser cutting machine. You can see that these are the cutted by the laser cutters. Please find that these are the screw holes. By using the laser cutters, you can also get the excellent place of the screw holes. After you get the perfect size of the plates, we will go to next parts to bend them in the right shape. Look, they are working. Maybe we can stay here for a little bit time to have a look how it is working. It will take some time for them to get ready. So let's go to the next machine, bender machine. You can see here. Here's are the machines not ready. These three machines are the 320 pellet machine, and these ones are the 225, so BPM 25 pellet machine. So these are for the Russia clients, excuse me. You can see we polish them very well to make sure that you are safe. Make sure your safety. The polish is very nice. Sorry, I'm trying to make the live stream stable, but when I'm walking, it's a bit shaky. So here you can see that this is the bender machine. Normally, when we place when we cut the plates and we put the plates here to bend them into the right shape, you can see like here. Also, these parts are bended by the bending machine. These two machines are with high accuracy, so since we're trying to making the better quality machine with competitive price, so those machines are the ones that we must use. And here we can also see our employees are installing the main shaft here. Now let's go to the next process. After the machines are being bending, they will be assembled together like what we are doing right now. Then we will go to the place where we call that the painting frame. You can see the blue one. You can see the blue one. We are doing painting inside. Actually, this equipment is the new equipment that we just installed last November, because you know that in China the environment policy is quite strict, so we need to follow the government. Follow the government policy, and we need to do as a environmental friendly factory. Otherwise, our delivery time will be affected. But well, you can know that after we install this oil spray equipment, this equipment will preventing the painting spray out in the air. So it makes sure that we are not doing bad things for the environment, and so that we are the factories are in the government list, that whatever the environment is happening, we are able to do the oil spray. So please agree the orders to us. We will deliver the machines just in time. And maybe you can have a look of this machines. Will show you more. You can better understanding about our 25 ring die pellet machine. Since it's not totally assembled, so you can see downside, this is the motor, and the belt is over there, and the belt wheels over there, and the stainless steel conditioner is installed here. All the details that you can see. I know that since the coronavirus issue, a lot of clients are not able to come into us, but we hope by using this live stream that you can better understand our factory, our machines. Maybe in the future we can can help you to place the orders sooner. Now let's go out of the factory because it's quite noisy. Wow, the laser cutting machine is working, so let's go have a look. We are very lucky that when I'm working here and doing the live stream, the laser cutting machine is working. Oh, better. So you can see that's how the laser cutting machine making the holes. And by using this machine, it can make sure that our machines with better quality and more accurate. And you can see here, this is the equipment that we are going to take into the oil spray spot. Maybe since we also have some time, then I would like to show you the control cabinet that we are just ready for a Sri Lanka client. I'm not sure if you are here, but we will show you more information here. Sorry, it's shaking, so it's better face to the land. So here you can see the control cabinet is like this. Do you see the buttons? See those buttons? All the control, all the whole process are controlled by the control cabinet. Like when we start the whole production line, we will start the airlock, the cyclones, and then start the hammer mills. And then we go to the bucket elevator, then start the mixture. So the process is from back to forward. It's now start from the first button to the last one. So let's open this control cabinet to have a look. Here you can see these are the electric control cabinets. I'll open the back one so that you can have a look. Quite nice, right? But if you are now, these brands we're using are the Chinese famous brand. But if you like to use other brands, you can just let us know, and then we can just customize, make the control cabinet for you. Just like the pellet machine. So the pellet machine is not fully stainless steel, but if you're looking for the fully stainless steel, like totally made by stainless steel, we are able to make it for you. And finally, I would also like to say one more time that tomorrow we're having machine test. Like we'll show you how to run the pellet machine, how to make the, how to grind the new dye, and how to make all your raw materials. I know that some of our clients just receive our machines and they are doing the testing. But tomorrow will be a very nice time for you to have a look. Tomorrow we will use this 25 ring dye pellet machine to show you how to make the pellets. So hope tomorrow you can have time to come. The tomorrow time is Chinese time about 16 p.m. So that's 4 p.m. in Chinese time. Hope you can come and have a look. Also at 1 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. we will start the live stream about how we load the machine, how we do to protect our machine in the container, that that you will see how carefully we're done these jobs, so make you more confident on us. And finally, I think our show is almost finished. So if you have any questions, please send, make a screenshot first and send the email address here, contact number, and the WhatsApp number. Drop me a message, send me an email, and show me the screenshot. You will get the free extra spare parts. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow.